Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to refill a propane tank in Project Zomboid. When in vanilla Zomboid, this is not possible. So for this to work, make sure the mod Pumps Have Propane is installed and enabled on your game. The mod allows propane tanks to be refilled at gas station pumps, similar to how you refuel vehicles with gasoline. Next, take your empty or partially used propane tank and go to a gas station. Walk up to the fuel pump while the propane tank is in your inventory. Then right-click the gas pump to open the interaction menu. In the menu, select the option to refill propane tank. Your character will begin filling the tank directly from the pump. This process takes a few seconds, and once it's finished, the propane tank will be refilled and ready to use again. And that's how you refill a propane tank in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.